going on, guys? Kevin here with Hidden Heights Farm. Just got off work and it is starting to snow here in Oklahoma. Got some snow coming down. I am going to check on the seeds I planted to see if the grow light's doing anything yet. I'm gonna feed some animals before it gets too bad here. I don't think it's supposed to snow much, it's just really cold right now. So this is day 7. And I still do not see any sprouts. Day 7 and still no sprouts. Feels like it's staying moist enough. So I'm not sure about this light. We shall see. So I'm trying to get my chores done around the house, and I'm going to head to a local steel supplier and pick up some steel posts. I got a new project I am going to work on this weekend. I'll try to make a video over that. I gotta get these animals fed first. You know, Daisy. Hi, girl. Hi, Daisy. So Daisy likes to be an escape artist. You been protecting the goats, huh? You doing a good job protecting those goats? Yeah. As you can see, the stock water heaters are still working. That one's still liquid, and this one is ice. Something great to have so you don't have to come out and break ice. What do you think, Daisy? What do you think of the snow, huh? I know the goats don't like it. They're in here in the barn. So even though it's snowing, the animals don't seem to be affected much. The goats still want to be fed, and the chickens are out and about. They don't care. We know, Bear. You doing okay, Bear? Here you go, buddy. So Bear has started limping. We noticed him limping a couple weeks ago, so we took him to the vet. Here you go, buddy. So Bear has started limping. We noticed him limping a couple weeks ago, so we took him to the vet. The vet checked him out and everything, and the vet said he thinks he has arthritis. So Bear, cut that out. Okay, so back to what I'm saying. So Bear has taken an anti-inflammatory for 2 weeks, and it has seemed to help his limp a little bit, but the doctor said they can only stay on it for a week or 2 at a time because it affects their liver and their kidneys. So we're gonna see if that helps. The second day, we could tell a big difference. He was running around and playing. Bear is, he is about 8 years old, so he's getting older, and he's very vital to our livestock. He's been a great guardian dog. So anyways, we try to keep him healthy and as comfortable as possible. Well, that snow's really starting to come down now. See what the turkeys think of it. You know, peacock. You know, turkeys. And talking girls. 3 turkey hens and a peacock hen. Y'all better get in your barn. So yeah, it's very important to keep your livestock guardian dogs healthy. You never know when they're gonna have to go fight coyotes or stray dogs or any kind of predator. So anyways, he is on his 6th day of the medicine and he seems better. Of course, with arthritis, it's never gonna go away. You can only make him comfortable, but he's still gotta live outside, so he seems happy and he seems to be doing better. He gets a little more special treatment and snacks right now, so he seems happy. Snow's coming down pretty thick. You know, Bear. Bear don't want no part of being on no video, he said. He just wants to eat his dinner and go back to his bed. I'll leave you alone, bud. Okay, guys, I just want to do a quick little update of what's going on around here at Hidden Heights Farm. I'm going to head to the metal supply store and get some metal posts for the fencing project I'm going to start on this weekend, hopefully, if the weather cooperates. So I'm stuck in traffic on the bridge that goes over the lake. I don't know what's going on. It's snowing, the bridge looks covered, but we're at a standstill. So here's what the lake looks like right now. You can't even see it, it's snowing so thick. Waiting to see what's holding up all this traffic. Looks like somebody lost some hay bales here on the bridge. It's already getting pretty slick, and then you got this. We'll make it through. Well, I'm back home now, and we didn't get too much snow, as you can see. It is done, and the sun came back out and was shining for a little bit. And the goats are out. They don't mind the snow one bit. What do you think, Daisy? What do you think, girl? Good girl. What do you think, Skeeter? You like the snow? Yeah. You good girl, Daisy? So, thanks for watching. Like this video and please subscribe to the channel.